my channel. This is Miss Manchkania and I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So guys, today I am back with another video and this video is going to be my skincare routine. Yes guys, so this was the one of the most requested video to share my skincare routine. So this is all about my skincare routine. Just would like to tell you one thing, that in this video all the products are on affordable side and all the products are available on any drugstore or any medical store. You will be getting this. So these products are not high end or any bougie products, and easily, like, you can easily you will be able to replace this. There is no such hardened rule that you have to use such products for such a effect. There are many products in the market which are easily replaceable for these products. So yeah, let's share this. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first thing which I have used is my face wash. Obviously, like, when I wake up I need to wash my face, so I used my face wash. This is Biotique's face wash, and I don't know for what reason I am very much obsessed with the Biotique products nowadays, and I'm liking that a lot. So after that I have used an aloe vera gel. Usually the first step is after the face wash is cleansing, but right now I am using this aloe vera gel because these summers are very harsh on my skin and I want soothing on my skin, so that's why I am using aloe vera gel. I am gently massaging it for around 1.5 minutes. I am going to give my cheeks some tight massage too. If you are in your early 20s, guys, this is a very important step to go with. Like, it is very important to massage a little bit harder on your cheeks area because they are most likely to get wrinkles. So yeah, the next step which I am taking is that Dr. Rachel's tan removal scrub. This works wonders. Like, this really works wonders. So I have taken a little bit of scrub. I have spread it on my hands, and with that I am gently massaging it. Guys, make sure that you don't use the scrub excessively on your skin. The only reason to use the scrub is the exfoliation, and I use scrub only twice a week. This is not included in my daily routine. I am showing you that how I exfoliate. It was my day to exfoliate, but I never use this daily, neither I recommend anyone to use this daily. So yeah, I have gently massaged it with my fingers. Guys, please don't go harsh on your skin. Be very gentle and soft because scrub is already a little bit on the harsh side on your skin. So yeah, I have gently done this. So the next step which I am going to do, the first thing that I am going to wash it first. So yeah, I am done with washing my face. If you can see, the results are amazing till now. Now the next product which I'm using is my face mask. Like, face mask, I have two face masks with me. One is of Biotique and one is of that kaolin face mask. The kaolin one was the clay one, that was the clay mask, and this is the creamy face mask. I tell you why I am using this cream face mask today. The reason behind this is that today I have exfoliated my skin and my skin is already on the drier side. That's why I am not using the clay mask today. Usually if I am not exfoliating my skin, so I use clay mask. So today I am using this creamy, it have a very creamy texture, so that's why I am using this face mask. It gives you very plumpy and very supple and juicy skin. Like, trust me guys, I am in love with the Biotique products, and these two, my earlier also I have used the papaya face wash. That too was wonderful, like wonderful guys. Trust me, this if you want, I can help you with the products in the link or the comment if you want. So I'll be just putting like, I have just washed my face after 15 minutes. If you see, there is a visible difference already. The last step is a toner. I have Gulabri over here with me, so I'm just going to spray it on my face and dab it in my skin and just leave it in the air to soak off. I'm just patting my skin a bit. Toner use for, you know, maintaining pH level on your skin. So I have already used like, I have used exfoliation, I have used a face mask and everything. After all, end of the day, everything is chemical, so that's why I'm using the toner to just maintain the pH level on my skin. So yeah, I am done with this. If you guys see, there is a visible difference in my skin, and my skin is already feeling very healthy. So guys, this is me after bathing. So if you see, there is already a visible difference. The next step which I'm going to do is that I'm using my Richfield toner. You can use again Gulabri, that is also very good, but I really personally like a aroma of Richfield toner, so that's why I've used this. And after that, I am moisturizing my skin. Guys, it is very important step. Please never think that it is summer, or if you're having the oily skin that you don't need any moisturizer. Guys, it is a very important step. And with moisturizer, I am using a little bit of the Good Vibes aloe vera oil, because right now it is giving me like ultimate results. Like, I am feeling very healthy whenever I put a little bit of moisturizer and this oil. So yeah, I have a habit of mixing this together and put it on my skin. So yeah, I am done with moisturizing my skin. The last and not the least step, that is sunscreen. So the sunscreen which I'm using is Photoshop sunscreen, which was recommended to me by my dermatologist. You can use any with a good SPF and PA triple plus. Like, you can use any of your choice. This gives me mattifying mattifying effect, but still my skin feels very dewy. So I'm taking a very good amount of this sunscreen. I have put this on my skin, and I'll rub it gently to spread it on all over my face and neck. Guys, please make sure, even if you're not going out, sunscreen is very important for your skin. Like, it is like a god's direct help to save you from the UV rays. So yeah guys, I am almost done. So just going with the lip balm. So this is the multi-purpose gel. Actually, you can use the Vaseline too. I don't believe in bougie lip balms. I have some, but usually for my go-to I use this. I have just put some gel on my lips, and I am done. Really healthy and plumpy, juicy skin. So with this, I am ending this video. I hope you really enjoyed watching it, and if you really do, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for the further updates. Please click on the bell icon too, just besides the subscribe button. And with this, I am signing off. Wish you all the healthy and juicy skin with this. Bye guys.